Hello students, this is Victor sir here from Emmanuel's Pedagogue. Very nice to meet you again on a session of YouTube wherein we'll be learning the fundamentals of mathematics. Children, in today's video, we'll be looking at algebra statement sums which is related to money. Okay, we'll be doing statement sums which is related to money. So, algebraic statement sums, okay, and this is all will be related to money. So say I give you a question. The question is, there are three people, one is Donna, the other one is Chris and Austin. Okay, Austin, at one side I'll write the question. These are three people. They have a total of how many rupees? A total of rupees 93. Okay, and actually as this book is of California standard, they have given it in dollars, but I have written it in rupees. Okay, and say condition is given to you कि this person Donna, he has 7 rupees more than Chris, and Austin has 3 times what Donna has. Okay, Donna is the name of a person. Okay, and then you have to calculate how much do they have in their wallet. Okay, so this is the question. देखो question क्या है? There are 3 people. One is Donna, the other one is Chris, and the other one is Austin. Question में दिया है कि ये तीनों के पास, all these 3 kids, they have rupees 93 total. Okay, the amount with Donna, the amount with Chris, and the amount with Austin amounts to rupees 93. Okay, but there is a condition that is given to you. What is that condition, children? It is given that Donna has 7 rupees more than, Donna has what? 7 rupees more than Chris, and Austin has 3 times what Donna has. So Austin has 3 times, means 3 into what Donna has. तो अब हमको किसका पता नहीं, क्रिस का पता नहीं है, तो हम लोग लेंगे लेट द मनी विथ क्रिस बी रुपीज एक्स, राइट. अगर क्रिस के पास एक्स रुपीज रहेगा तो डोना के पास कितना रहेगा? हाउ मच विल डोना हैव? डोना money will be equals to how much? Question says Donna has 7 more. More means plus 7. So this becomes x plus 7 rupees. Donna has this much amount of rupees. Now how much Austin has? Austin's money. Austin's money is how much? Austin's condition is given that Austin has 3 times what Donna has. So whatever money is with Donna, uska 3 times, means 3 into Donna's money. So x plus 7 is the money with Donna. So Austin's money will be 3 times Donna's money. So it's 3 into x plus 7. तो ये तीनों का मनी हो गया. Chris has x rupees, Donna has 7 rupees more than Chris, and Austin has 3 rupees more than what Donna has. Now from the given condition, what condition is given? कि all of them has 93 rupees, means the money with Chris, the money with Donna, the money with Austin, all is equals to how much? 93 rupees. So children, you calculate this, what it will have, what it will give you? X plus x is, sorry, this, let's keep this, let's open the bracket first. 3x plus 7 3s are, okay, getting? Now x plus 3x gives me 3x plus x 4x, 4x plus x 5x, 7 plus 21 is 28 equals to 93, right? Now what happens, children, when this 28 goes there, it becomes subtraction. I'll rub this, okay? When 28 goes there, 5x is equals to how much? 93 minus 28. Then 5x will be equals to what? 93 minus 28 is 65. So x will be equals to 65 divided by 5. X will be equals to how much, children? 13. That means Chris has 13 rupees. Donna has 13 plus 7. Okay? And then Austin's money will be this. X ke jagah pe you put 13 and you find the money that Austin has. Getting? So these sums are very easy sums, children, and such sums will definitely come in your 9th standard exams and 8th standard exams. Okay? And you have chapters wherein you have such statement sums which is related to money. So children, what you have to do is you have to solve such sums. Okay? Now we'll be seeing one more sum. Okay? Say the question goes like this. Okay? Say the question is so. The question is that the ticket to a puppet show, okay, a ticket to a puppet show sells at rupees, say 2.50. Okay, this is the ticket for the puppet show 2.50 for children. Okay, for children the amount of ticket is this, then, and it's rupees 4.50. I'll line here, 4.50 for adults. Okay, and there is a condition given to you कि there are 5 times as many children at a performance as there are adults. So यहाँ पे the sum is divided into this part. This is one part and the second part is this. Okay? And the show raises, शो ने कितना पैसा कमाया? रुपीस 3009. Okay, by the tickets. So you need to show how many adults ticket and how many children's tickets were sold. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो, so there are people, there are adults and there are kids. I don't know how many adults are there. How many adults are there? I don't know. How many kids are there? I don't know. But I know that there are 5 times as many children at the performance as the adult. मतलब adult से भी children's कितने times ज़्यादा है? 5 times ज़्यादा है. तो मेरे को पता नहीं है ना number of adults कितना है. तुम्हें लेगा let number of adults be x. So number of children will be how much? 5x. Getting children? So I write it here. Okay. This is number of people. Okay. So number of people, adult is x. I took it as x, and here 5x. Why I took it as x and 5x? Because your question says there are 5 times as many children at the performance as there are adults. ठीक है. अब चिल्ड्रन का टिकट का कॉस्ट कितना है? टिकट कॉस्ट चिल्ड्रन का कितना है? ₹2.50. adult का टिकट कॉस्ट इज हाउ मच? ₹4.50. okay. And now the total money that the ticket house earned is ₹3,009. So how do you calculate this 3,009? अब एक का टिकट 4.50 रुपीज़ और टोटल x लोग हैं. जैसे कि अगर एक चॉकलेट 5 रुपए का है और 10 लोग चॉकलेट ले रहे, तो वो 10 लोगों का कितना खर्चा होएगा? एक चॉकलेट अगर 5 रुपए का है और 10 लोग ले रहे, तो 5 into 10 50 रुपीज़ हो गया ना. वैसा one ticket is 4.50 rupees, and there are x number of people. So what will be the total cost? 4.50x प्लस बच्चों से कितना रेवेन्यू आया, बच्चों से कितना पैसा आया. एक बच्चे का टिकट, one child's ticket is 2.50, and total there are 5x number of children. So it will be 5x into 2.50. That will give me the money earned by children from the tickets that brought by children. So this and this together gives me 3009. So what I'll do? So I'll take 4.50x and this I'll multiply. Okay, I'll multiply this. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 12. So it gives me how much? 12.50x. So this is equals to how much? 3009. Okay children, now this I'll add it up. 12.50 plus 4.50 gives me how much? 19, right? 19 is 4 5 6 7 17, right? So this gives me 17. So ये amounts to 17x equals to 3009. So children, if you divide 3009 by 17, so x will be what? 3009 divided by 17. So your answer x will be equals to how much? 177. Means there were how many adults? There were 177 adults. There were how many children? 5 times x करना है तो उतने children. समझा children? See, this is how the sums will come for your standard 8th and 9th. So you have to do it in a very clever way. Okay children? So I hope you understood this sum what I have taught you. Okay? See children, it's all about understanding the question. I know that statement sums are tough, they are difficult, it's not that easy, but you will have to understand it and practice it. Okay? Say I give you one question. Okay? Say Ram, he bought, say Ram, he brought 12 CDs. Okay? He brought 12 CDs and some CDs costs rupees 7.50. Okay? And the rest CDs costs rupees 6.50 each. Okay children? So how many CDs were brought at each price if Jerome spent a total of rupees 82. Okay? So say I will not take Ram, I will take it as Jerome. Okay, so Jerome is a boy. He brought 12 CDs. Okay, how many CDs he brought? 12 CDs. Some CDs were costing rupees 7.50. Okay, so he brings CDs. Okay, ये CDs ऐसा दिखता है. CD पता है ना, वो ज़माने में CD पे ही CD player चलता था. Okay, so these CDs, how many CDs? 12 numbers. But among these, some CDs he brought the cost. Some CDs cost was rupees 7.50 each. Okay, say some CDs were small. Okay, and say if the other CDs were big, we can consider like that. And the cost of the other CDs were rupees 6.50. And the total cost of these CDs, total cost, okay, the total cost was rupees 82. तो अब हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि ये CDs खरीदने के लिए कितना पैसा लगा, ये CDs खरीदने कितने पैसे लगे. How much does it cost to buy these number of CDs whose each cost is 7.50? How many amount does it cost me to buy these number of CDs whose each cost is 6.50? Okay, so now let me say the number of CDs. Let the number of CDs, the small CDs, be X. Total 12 CDs है. ये अगर X है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, बाकी 12 माइनस X हो जाएगा ना. जैसे कि समझो 12 में 10 CD छोटे CDs है तो बड़े CDs कितने रहेंगे. 12 में 10 निकालो, 2 means बड़े में 2 CDs, right? So in the same way, I don't know how many CDs are small CDs, so I took those CDs as X, the number of CDs as X, and so the number of CDs, the other number of CDs will be 12 minus X. Getting? So what will be the total cost? One CD का cost is 7.50. अगर मैंने X number of CDs खरीदा, so its total cost will be rupees 7.50x. For this big CDs, say if one CD cost is 6.50 and I buy 12 minus X number of CDs, so 12 minus X into 6.50 will give me the total cost of these type of CDs. And I add this, it becomes 82. So 7.50x plus 12 minus X into 6.50 will be equals to 82. Children, I know statement sums are difficult. You will find it difficult to understand. But you have to concentrate and put your brain into it and try understanding it. Okay? So children, so you'll solve this. I'll solve a few part for you. 7.50x plus. So now what you'll do? You'll multiply this 6.50 into 12. So you have 12 with you. You take 6.50 and you multiply it by 12. So what it gives me? So it gives me 05878, but it gives me 78. Okay. So now what happens? So this 7.50 minus 6.50 is 1x. Now 1x will be equals to what? 82 minus 78. So x will be equals to 4, right? So how many number of CDs were there? One type of CDs were 4 CDs. And the other one will be 12 minus x. How many CDs? That will be 8 CDs. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the statement sums related to money. So children, in the WhatsApp group that we are there, I'll be putting up many such sums. I know it is a high order thinking sums. These sums are very difficult and high order thinking sums, but I want you all to try, and that is why this lockdown is there for us. Okay, so children, solve it, send it to me. Have a nice day. Bye.